Left function extracts the specified number of characters starting from the left of a string. This function has two arguments. In text argument, select the text string or type text from which you want to extract text string. In numCharts argument, type number. If you type 4, function extract number of 4 characters starting from the left of a text string. If you type 5, function extract number of 5 characters starting from the left of a text string. If you leave blank this argument, in default 1 is entered in this box. In text box, select this text string. I want to return first name from this text string. There are 4 characters in first name. Press type key. Type 4. Click OK. Function returns first 4 characters starting from the left of a string full name. Paste the formula in other cell. Double click. Active this cell. In this full name, there are 6 characters in first name. I again insert left function in this cell. Press delete key. In formulas tab, click text arrow button. Click left function. In text box, select this cell reference. Press type key. Type 6. Click OK. Now active this cell. There are 5 characters in first name. Click in formula bar. Type 5. Press enter. This cell has already correct first name. Active this cell. There are 7 characters in first name. Click in formula bar. Type 7. Press enter. There are 7 characters in first name William. Click in formula bar. Type 7. Press enter. In this way, you can extract number of characters starting from the left of a text string.